Mr. Ong had to arrange some chairs in the hall. At first, he arranged them in rows of 25. When another 82 chairs were brought into the hall, Mr. Ong rearranged the chairs into rows of 18. As a result, he was able to add 17 more rows. So we shall begin by recording the data. In this question, you'll notice that the question provides the number of chairs in a row, which is 25. But however, the question didn't provide the number of rows. To record this, what we can do is we draw a circle to indicate one row, to represent one row, and we write 25 in the circle to represent the number of chairs in the row. Since we do not know the number of rows, we can use the dotted line to represent the unknown number of rows. If you read further, the question provides that another 82 chairs were brought into the hall. We can record these as plus 82. So this row, this entire row, represent all the chairs. Now, what happens next is Mr. Ong rearranged all these chairs into rows of 18. So let me indicate this with a circle. So again, one circle represents a row and 18 represent the number of chairs in that row. Since we do not know the number of rows, we shall use the dotted line to represent the number of rows of 18 chairs. With this new arrangement, Mr. Ong was able to add 17 more rows. The way to record this is you draw a circle to represent one additional row, and then you type times 17 to represent additional 17 rows. So if you look at these two rows, 25 dotted line, 25 plus 82, the sum total of these chairs is equal to the second row, 18, except all the chairs here, okay? Rows of 18 plus another rows of 18 times 17. Because the sum total of these two rows are the same, if I were to split them into two portions, left and right, the total difference on the right will be the same as the total difference on the left. This is called the total difference concept. And this only works if the sum total of the first row is the same as the sum total of the second row. Okay. To find the total difference on the right, let's find what's the value of 18 times 17. 18 times 17 is 306. Then we'll subtract with 82. That will give you 224. So the total difference of on the right side is 224. The total difference on the left will also be 224. Difference in one group is 7. 25 subtract 18. Difference in one group. Now, how many groups of 7 makes up 224? To do that, to get that, what you can do is 224 divided by 7, that is equal to 32, and 32 represents the number of groups. So what does the number of groups in this question represent? 32 represents the number of rows of chairs at first. That we can represent this by 32 times 32. So there's 32 rows here and 32 rows here. So what's the first question? How many rows of chairs did he have altogether? He will have 32 rows of chairs plus 17. So the answer is 49. Next question, how many chairs did he have at first? To find the total number of chairs he had at first is basically 25 times 32. Which is 800. So that's all.